ब्यूटीफुल। आज मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ 3 हेयर स्टाइल्स दैट वर्क ग्रेट विद एथनिक वेयर। वीडियो की शुरुआत करने से पहले हमारे बी ब्यूटीफुल चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें एंड रिंग द बेल आइकॉन फॉर फर्दर नोटिफिकेशंस। अब हेयर स्टाइल शुरू करने से पहले मैं अपने बालों पे सीरम लगाऊंगी सो इट प्रोटेक्ट्स माई हेयर अगेंस्ट ह्यूमिडिटी एंड प्रोवाइड्स द मच नीडेड शाइन। मेरा गो टू सीरम है द ट्रेसेमे ग्लॉस अल्टीमेट हेयर सीरम। I'll just take a few drops and apply it all over my hair. इस सीरम में है विटामिन ई और कुछ पावरफुल ब्लेंड्स ऑफ कोकोनट, मैकेडेमिया और सनफ्लावर सीड ऑयल्स दैट लॉक इन मॉइस्चर एंड गिव योर लॉक्स अ लशियस ग्लॉसी शाइन। साथ ही ये आपके बालों को हीट स्टाइलिंग से भी प्रोटेक्ट करेगा टू अ स्कॉचिंग 230 degrees Celsius, which means you don't need a separate heat protectant to do the job. The serum's definitely got your back. So for this open hair hairstyle, I'm going to start with doing a middle partition. And then I'm going to pull in a little bit of hair from the left and the right side. And then some from this side as well. And then I'm going to secure this section using a rubber band. I'm just going to tie this into a ponytail. Now that I've secured this ponytail, I'm going to make a tiny loop in the center. You can loosen your ponytail a little bit for this. And then all you have to do is tuck your ponytail in through that loop. You can then tighten it up to secure it in place. Then I'm going to repeat the process on the left side. Now just like the previous step, I'm going to take another rubber band and secure my hair into a ponytail. And then I'm going to make another gap like I did in the previous one and tuck my ponytail through it. Last step is to tighten that knot and secure this into place. And the last step is to repeat the same procedure on the right side of my hair. Now that my hairstyle is all done, I'm going to secure it with a hairspray. And I'm done. Now for the next hairstyle, I'm going to start with a half ponytail. First, I'm going to start off with making a tiny middle partition. And then I'm going to make my first half ponytail. And then secure it with a rubber band into a ponytail. Now I'm going to take 2 more sections from both sides of my hair and create the same thing in the back. I'm going to secure this as well with a rubber band into a half ponytail in the back. Now I'm going to take 2 more sections from both sides of my hair and create a third half ponytail. Now I'm going to take all my remaining hair into a ponytail. Now I'm going to take one section of my hair from my ponytail and wrap it around the rubber band to give it a more cleaner, finished look. Then I'm going to secure this using a bobby pin. To complete the look, I'm using these cute pearl stick-ons to accessorize my hair. And And now to secure everything in place, I'm going to apply a hairspray. And we're done with this hairstyle. Next, I'm going to keep my partition intact, and then I'm going to make a half pony to create a half bun. Before securing my hair into a ponytail, I'm going to take out some tendrils to frame my face. Now with the rest of my hair, I'm going to section it into 2 sections and tie 2 braids. I'm going to start with the left section and create a 3-strand braid. And now I'm going to secure the edges with a tiny rubber band. Now I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to take these 2 braids and wrap it over my bun and then secure it with a bobby pin. Now I'm going to add these 2 clips to accessorize my look somewhere around the bun. Then I'm going to add some hairspray to set my look. And I'm done. So guys, those were 3 hairstyles that would work great with your ethnic wear and amp up your entire look. Do try them out और इस comment section में ज़रूर बताना how they turned out for you. जाने से पहले इस वीडियो को like and share करें and subscribe to our BeBeautiful channel and do ring the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. Bye!